Good morning to all the students. Today we start with practical 2, that is the introduction of the NC part programming. The basic component of the NC machine and the classification, it is the major parts of your practical 2. Aim, the introduction to the NC machine. Objective, the introduction to the NC, CNC and DNC machine, the basic component of the NC system and classification of the NC system. The background of the system is to understand and knowledge of the NC and CNC, DNC machine, the basic component of the NC system, the classification of the CNC machine, the component of the CNC machine, and the various applications and limitations. The introduction to the NC machine. Controlling a machine tool by the means of preparing a program which consists of block or series, the number is known as a numerical control. In manufacturing of more complicated part, the system can be calculated automatically, added data point. This is done by the means of the interpoler. The numerical control refers to the method of controlling the manufacturing operation by the means of directly inserted coded numerical instruction into the machine tool. It is an important realize that NC is not a machining method, rather it is a concept of the machine control. Also, the most popular application of the NC are in machining, and NC can be applied to many other operations including welding, sheet metal work and riveting, etc. The NC machine are method of automation where the automation of medium and small volumes is done by some control under the instruction of the program. There are various definitions of the NC. A system which actions are controlled by direct insertion of numerical data at some point. The system must automatically interpret at least some portion of this data by Electronic Industry Association, that is the EIA. The automatic control is defined as a form of software controlled automation in which the process is controlled by alphanumerical character or symbol. According to this definition, a program is prepared which consists of block. Block consists of combination of character and number in sequence describing the position of the tool, job, the cutting tool, speed and feed. The data convert into the coded instruction which are called as a part program. As the job changes, the instruction of the part program are also changes. The other instruction which can be included by the tool changes or a coolant on off position. It is easy to encode the new program than to change the machinery for flexibility, thus arising the need of an NC machine tool. So this is the diagram which shows the instruction which is provided to the machine. This is a machine control unit in which you have to control the machining operations. With respect to that control, we are giving the instructions to the tool, and this is a job. With respect to this instruction, it can perform the operation and job is supported to the power, and this machine tool can be transportation of the process. This is the diagram which is related to the numerical control machine tool. There are three types of the machine controls used, that is a traditional numerical control, computerized numerical control, CNC machine, distributed numerical control, that is DNC machine. The original numerical control machine were referred to as NC machine tool. They are hardware control whereby control is applied through the use of the punch paper, tapes or cards. The tapes tends to wear and become dirty, thus causing the misreading. Many other problem arises from the use of the NC tapes. For example, the need of manual reload NC tape for each new part and lack of program editing ability which increases the lead time. The end of the NC tape was the result of two competing development, CNC and DNC. The basic component of the NC machine, the machine software. The program or the set of the instruction, language, punch card, magnetic tape, punch paper tape and other such information processing item are referred to as a software. The software control the sequence of movement of an NC. That is why these numerical control are sometimes called software control machine by NC lies entries in the programming. The programmer plan the operation and their sequence from seeing the drawing and write the instruction in tabulated block of instruction known as part program on the program manuscript. These instructions are punched on the control tape. The tape reader reads the codes and sends it to the machine control unit, which conversely converts this into the machine movement of the machine tool. Machine control unit. The NC control tool has main unit which is known as a machine control unit. It consists of some electronic hardware that read the NC program, interpret it and conversely translate it from the mechanical action of the machine tool. The typical machine tool unit may consist of the following unit. The input or reader unit. This unit consists of electromechanical devices used to collect the input from the punch tape, card, magnetic tape and disc. Then drive it through the system under a reading head. Interrupt the coded information and collect it again to the reuse. The memory. The block of instruction consisting of the word is the read and tape stored into the temporary memory called as a buffer. One block may be contain one complete set of instruction or words in a sequence. The function of this memory is to keep or storing the next block word when the machine is doing processing the previous block. Processor. The function of the processor is to coordinate and control the function of other units by giving the ready signal to them at appropriate point of time. Output channel. The data stored in the memory is converted into the actuation signal and supplied through the output channel into the form of the pulse. Control panel. The control panel has the switches, indicator, manual data input and dials for providing the information to the operator. Feedback channel. The feedback channel is to check whether the operations are done in the way we want. The feedback is sent through the feedback channel by position and velocity. The MCU, that is a machine control unit, may be three types. That is a house MCU. Machine control unit may be mounted on the machine tool or may be built in the casing of the machine. Swivel MCU. Machine tool unit is directly mounted on the machine which can swing around it and can be adjusted as per the requirement of operator position. Stand-alone MCU. The machine unit is enclosed in a separate cabinet which is installed at some remote or same places near the machine. Machine tool. The machine tool is the main component of the numerical control system which executes the operation. It may consist of work table, cutting tool, jigs and fixture, motor and driving spindle and coolant and lubricating system. The latest development in the numerical control machine is the versatile machining center. This is a single machine capable of doing a number of operations such as milling, boring, drilling, reaming, taping by automated tool changer under the control of tool section instruction. Punch tape. It is a unreadable NC component for repeated use of the shop because of the paper tape is especially fragile and it is susceptible to the wear and tear. So this is the diagram which shows the punch tape and reading on that punch tape. Tape reader. The tape reader is the at least reliable hardware component of the machine while any breakdown is occur of the NC machine. So this is the diagram which shows that this is a tape reader and it reads the instruction on the punch tape. Controller. The hardware control cannot be easily altered to incorporate or improvement into the unit. The basic element and the operation of the NC machine in numerical control and the component basically involved of data input, the data processing and data output. The data input numerical information is read and stored in the tape reader or in the computer memory. So this is the diagram which is related to the controller. The advantages of the NC machine tool. It reduces the lead time, elimination of the operator error, operator capacity is increased, lower the labor cost, smaller the batches, longer the tool life, illumination of special jigs and fixture, flexibility in changes of component design, reduction in inspection, reduction in scrap, and accurate forecasting and scheduling. So this is all about the NC machine. Thank you.